For a check on the market action, we have Joe Tegay of Equity Armor Investments with us now. Hey, Joe, this is actually the final trading day of the week. The market will be closed for Good Friday. What do you think about the action so far?
Yeah, really a fascinating week. It seems like 3 weeks ago, the market was just ahead of all the data, expecting a really bad economic carnage to happen. And it seemed like the data hadn't really come in when the market was on its lows in the third week of March. Now it's interesting that the data is starting to come in. We saw last week's jobs number was very bad for March, and we saw the unemployment claims really astronomically high. These weekly numbers are just off the charts. Many factors bigger than anything we'd ever seen in the history before, and that's coming off of a really good week for the markets. We're seeing that data, the market's railing off of that. So that's really fascinating. I think the economic data is just being put aside. We're really focusing in on the virus data, which amazing that there is data for that. But yeah, the virus data is there. And, some of the models are being revised lower. There's going to be less deaths, thankfully. There's going to be less people infected, thankfully. And if that's true, and if we can get the economy started faster, then I think that's what the market's rallying on. So it's certainly a give and take on the economic data and the virus data. If the virus data is better than expected, and if we can turn the economy on sooner than expected, I think the market's going to rally off of that.
What else can you tell us? What trends are you seeing perhaps in the VIX?
Yeah, watching the VIX, it's still above that 40 level, so certainly still a lot of fear and a lot of volatility moving around in that market. The VIX is going to remain in this crisis area until we really get some certainty here. So I think the market really has not settled in, even though the market's had a tremendous rally off of its lows.
We thank you as always, Joe. For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.